Hello guys, you're welcome back. Ultimate Love fans react as Chrisville appeared in a hilarious TikTok video dressed like a lady. Ultimate Love reality show finalist Abayo Chrisville Olajide, better known as Chrisville, has taken to his social media account to share a funny TikTok video of himself dressed like a lady. Chrisville took to his Instagram account on the 7th of May 2020 to share a fun-filled video. He was seen putting on a towel above his chest level with a breast pad visible in the clips and tied a white towel around his head. In the video, he was trying to narrate how female actors in the Nigerian movie industry try to poison their cheating partner. Chris was sighted sitting on the bed with two glasses of drink on the table, after which he removed a white powder substance from his breast pad and added into his partner's drink, and thereafter tested the poison drink in panic. Short clips assumed that his partner was absent. However, he related the video to a throwback act of Rita Dominic in the 90s, as he wrote in his caption, "I just wanted to test the poison before he came in. Fear no good o." Reenacting at Rita Dominic back in the day, 90s children, get in here, we know ourselves. Abaoye Olajide is also known as a model, actor, serial entrepreneur, and TV host, but was recognized in the Ultimate Love show as Chrisville. He was paired with Chris, and they were a couple named Double Chris. However, they made the top 5 finalists of the show but didn't win the ultimate prize. What are your ratings in the funny TikTok throwback act of Chrisville? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.